Hello folks, hope you are all doing well. My name is Harjot, you are watching Unboxers, and today we will be having a look at the Amazon Echo Dot and its setup. So the box is pretty good. It shows the Amazon Echo Dot branding on it. I'm actually pretty excited, so let's unbox it. So this comes in a very nice packaging. The dot is present here. Let's keep it to the side and we'll look at it afterwards. We also get a manual. Apart from this, a USB type. Actually, it's a micro USB cable. Some more documentations. And a power brick. It's a 9-watt power brick rated at 1.8 amperes at 5.2 volts. So let's have a look at it. Listen to the sound via this mic. That fresh unboxing sound, it's just amazing. So we'll be setting this up here and having a look how it's done. So it also has a 3.5 mm jack to use the external speakers for a louder volume. So the lights have started to blink. So it has asked me to download the Alexa app. So I'll be downloading on my phone and seeing what's it like.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo
Wow.
is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay miss, I will be installing it. You also have an option to connect via Bluetooth to an external speaker. Okay, so I have installed the Alexa app. The setup process should be pretty simple, I guess. Setting up the country to India, as I am in India right now. Putting in my number, that's confidential. Okay, you will be getting a verification code on your mobile number to get started. Let's wait for it. Okay, it shows some features like enable drop-in. For a chat by saying Alexa drop-in, you can manage drop-in settings on your contact card. Selecting the country to India, connect to Wi-Fi, yeah of course, sure. So it makes a sound.
You have connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
Okay miss. So it takes you some permissions. So it says connected to Echo Dot. I'll be quickly connecting it to my Wi-Fi. So it's taking quite a long time. Alexa, what's the weather like?
Right now in Seattle, it's 8 degrees with mostly cloudy skies.
But I'm not in
Today's
Seattle.
forecast has lots of clouds, with a high of 11 degrees and a low of 6 degrees.
Okay, so you will be needing to change the settings. Okay, so you will be having to add your device location manually in the app. Alexa, what's the weather like here?
Currently, in Lucknow it's 22 degrees with fog. You can expect more of the same tonight with a low of 15 degrees.
Alexa, what's the time right now?
It's 8:43 p.m.
Wow. Actually, even by mistake also, if you say Alexa, it starts listening to you. How are you? Alexa, how are you?
I'm very well, thanks.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why do ghosts love elevators? It lifts their spirits.
Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Lucknow, it's 22 degrees with fog. Throughout the night, you can expect more of the same with a low of 15 degrees.
Alexa, time right now.
It's 8:44 p.m.
Alexa, can you play me some Bollywood music?
I couldn't find any Bollywood songs.
Alexa, can you play Bollywood music from Savan?
I couldn't find that on Savan.
Play music from Savan. Alexa, play music from Savan.
Hindi chart busters from Savan.
This ad-free trial is sponsored by Amazon Alexa.
So actually it can go quite loud. Alexa, stop. So you won't be listening to the song because I may get copyright. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What does a cat say when he stubs his toe? Meow.
Wow. So I will have to set up the app. It's quite comprehensive. I'll be looking at it and coming with a full review soon. Go crazy over that like button down below. Don't forget to comment on the video of what you liked or what you didn't like about the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.